Hi, Darren here from Wags Valve. And when it comes to protecting your home from water damage, it's important to manage what we can control. Specifically, we can control water damage from a failed water heater. Your water heater will fail, and not protecting your home could be costly. You can avoid property damage, disruption, mold remediation, insurance claims, bad loss history, higher premiums and deductibles, and the stress of it all by installing a WAGS valve. Almost 70% of water heater failure is from sudden bursts or slow leaks. A failed water heater could leak for days, even weeks, leaking hundreds of gallons of water if left undetected, causing damage to nearby floors, walls, electrical wiring, and furnishings. You can manage and mitigate a water heater failure with a simple and smart low-cost WAGS valve. It costs less than deductibles and doesn't come with any of the issues. The WAGS valve automatically closes off the cold water supply line, ensuring the property against flooding damage. And remember, installing a WAGS valve on your water heater requires no electricity, no batteries, no maintenance, no wireless signals, and mostly no worries to the property owner. If you have any questions or concerns, please message or call us at 844-438-9247. The WAGS valve, simple, smart, with well over 100,000 plus installed. WAGS will watch, so you don't have to.